First, see this video. These videos are very trending right now. People are making dollars by making these simple easy videos. Watch the video till the end so you can also make dollars. This video, I will teach you how to make these videos as well as how to upload them in all social media platforms. It is very easy to make, so watch attentively. So first we will need an image, but we can't use copyrighted images as it will be a problem, so we will generate our own image. In this case we use Pix AI, which is a very user-friendly interface, and the special thing is it is free. First, we have to sign in by our Gmail. It will give us 10k credits every day, and that will be enough for now. Then we have to click on generate and type your prompt. Now I'm typing the prompt. I want to say that if you liking this video, share it with your fellow creators so they also make some money online. Now you have to select your model, the names of the models and LORAS as well as the prompt, and also all the links are in description. Now the AI tool give us some images. We will take that image that's suitable with our meme. Let's download it. I'm making this video on PC, but the steps will be same in the mobile. Now open CapCut. Now click on new project. I'm using the PC version, but don't worry, as I said, steps will be the same. Now import the image. Then you also need a white background. Go to stock videos, select the white background. Now click on plus icon to edit the video. Set ratio to 1:1. Set the length to 10 to 11 seconds, and watch what I'm doing. Okay, then this is the main part. We need text, so think of a relatable meme and type it. Set your favorite font and resize it. Okay, we are done, so click export. As you see, we didn't use any music or sound, but don't worry, we will sort that out. Transfer your video to your mobile. Open YouTube. Then click on the plus icon. Select video. Click done. Then add music, search the music. The music name is Hide by Dorian Concept. Select it and give your video a title, then hit upload. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something new.